Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add ripped paper effect into your Elementor page. You can see I have added this scared woman image and over it I have added this ripped paper effect. So to add this effect into your Elementor page you have to install Elementor Pro, because in this tutorial I am going to use some CSS code and you are unable to add CSS code in Elementor free. You have to install Elementor Pro. So let's go to your Elementor editor where I will show you how to create this. So here is my Elementor editor. First of all, I will create a new section with 2 columns. I will change the section height to fit to screen, and in first column I will drag an heading widget. I will change this text to don't be scared. Now I will go to style, change its color to black, and I will go to typography, change font family to Poppins. I will change its size to 50 pixels. Now I will go back to my widgets and add text editor. Now I will go to style. You can change this text, change its color, and here I will change its font family to Alata. Default size is perfect. Now I will add a button. First of all, I will change the button text. I will make it see more. Now I will go to style, and here I will change the text color to white and background color of this button is blue. Now I will add border type solid and change its color to transparent. Now I am done with this column. Now in this column I will add 2 images. For first I will add an image, and now I will select an image from my media library. I'll select this image and click on insert image. Now I will add another image here, so I will click on this icon and I will add another image under this image. Now choose image from your library. I will select this ripped paper image. I will click on insert. Now you can see it was placed one after another, but I have to place the second image over the first image. So I will add some CSS here. For this, go to its advanced settings and go to custom CSS. Here I will first of all add selector, put brackets and press enter. First of all I will change its position to absolute, add semicolon and press enter. Now I will add width. I will make it 100%, put semicolon and press enter and add height. I will also make it 100%, add semicolon and press enter. Now here I will add mix, blend mode, and I will make it lighten. Press enter. Now you can see this image placed over here and you can see the background image. Now I will increase this image brightness, so I will add filter, brightness, add brackets, and I will type 1.2 and add semicolon here. Now I'm done with that. Now you can see a beautiful ripped paper effect on your image. Don't worry about typing the CSS code. I will put it in the description below so you can easily copy and paste it into your Elementor page. Now I will just update the page. After updating the page, I will click on this I button to preview the changes. Now here you can see you have this title, text editor button, and here you have your image, and over this ripped paper effect. That's how you can add this ripped paper effect into your Elementor page. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get notifications about future updates. Thanks for watching.